All them kill them. Let it go, lad. Giant truck go down better than American truck down here. Europe thing. All them all, lad. Yeah, downhill. Julian Chin. Machine, so truck sit up on the road all log. Why pre? Exo log on cow pork. On a cow pork pilot, I mean. Road boy. Yeah, man. A real old dog, you know. I'll probably fumble if we teach them to drive truck, bro. Yeah, man, them have planned to the inside to see where you see, bro. They build the road up there. So you know, say, boy, sooner or later. was for construction I go on, so you see me? Supposed to put a hotel on the hilltop here. But here, the part of the road alone, you see, you see me? One road boy. Truck come down the hill still, you know? I want to chop out that tree, you know? Before them come take the land. Oh, what you need to do, bro, you have to get your lights up, you see me? Yeah, man, make sure your lights are up to date and things. After that, you just take time to learn. So when you learn, so when you don't learn, you don't have to worry about no lights. Because most youth learn to drive truck, what was the biggest crack out in lights. You see me, them don't learn to drive truck already, and boy, take a good while before they can get their license. Truck license, you see me, so try to get the license straight and then you take a little time and learn, you see. But like how you know about the teacher in them time, you know, you just try line up. You have no link, you make some link with the license up to date. I just go with 2 truck dog and learn, you see me. Yeah, I try and see if I can get 2 trucks with that, boy, not going. Nah, boy. Here, 1 truck coming in, and I will truck that. I left my charger way in the car, so right now, if life get active, me go for the charger. If not, make this dead, brother. Can a boy come up and say, you know, it sound like it's a machine. Hey, one time the road never used to run, I say, you know? No road at all never used to run, so brother. Try and then cut through the hillside. Bro, machine. What kind of 100 wheeler you talk about? I don't know what I talk about 100 wheeler. Which 100 wheeler that, bro? Yes, a old school machine. Yeah. Yo, fuck the come on. Well, I'm doing some of them love buckler and send them a fire. Yeah, I don't know why I'm from about it. I'm not going to hold no. Say, God make you come. You come like the answer and see food for days, you know, brother. Like a cool still, you know? Yeah, man, I swear to God, look a cool. I have to feed the old dog, you know, man. You old dog take off the cap, man. Yeah, man, St. Thomas Road nice and dangerous, you see me? You must take on the time. The road sweet in the dog, but if you understand the road, bro, you dash away. What's the road for gravel up on the road, dog? I have to take on the time, brother. You know, some of them corner ain't already. I tell you. Grateful for the road, bro, but the road dangerous, simple as you see there, see me? But we all understand it, bro. We survive on it, but people, new people are. I say every morning time you be accident. Because certain kind of people might pull flight in the corner and then take the corner and pop up on gravel and know what to do. All dark. Yeah. So much. Why frame G? Fully active. Dog trainer and a slapping man. Ain't there already, man? Machine. Yo! You have one hand, brother. You can't manage for them place, sir.
Which way?
We're up on the hill, but you can't come up here so row me. If you have your 2-1 now, could I bring you?
Yeah, yeah.
Me hear you. I carry the blue car that look good though, like marl. Next time I come up here, I bring my machete and chop out the bush. Chop out the bush. Capture that before I do lessons. and I tell me say text me bro, me the live fam. I can't answer no text right now.